Welcome to Fun with Learn. We are back with new video. I hope you enjoy it. Are you ready to have some fun? Today, we are going to learn animal sounds. Yay! Can you guess who they are? Let's find out together. Yes, it's a dog. Good job, friends. Well done. It's a cow. Good job, friends. Who's this early riser? Yes, it's a rooster. Well done. Can you guess? Yes, it's a horse. Good job, friends. Can you guess? Yup, it's a sheep. You're on fire. Who could that be? That's a goat. Awesome job. Can you guess? Yes, it's a duck. Great job. Wow, friends, you did an incredible job. Keep learning, and keep having fun. Until next time, keep enjoying and discovering the wonderful world of animals. Take care. Bye bye for now. Hand waving.